What's up guys, welcome to another workout video. Today I'll be showing you my chest and triceps routine with a cheeky little metcon at the end. Section A of this workout is going to start with the flat barbell bench press. Now I prefer using dumbbells over the barbell with this exercise because you can get greater range of motion, but it's always good to switch exercises up and challenge yourself in a different way. I'll always do a couple of warm-up sets before starting with my working sets. Make sure that you have a firm grip on the bar. Lower the weight with control until it touches your chest before explosively pressing it back up again. Squeeze your chest as hard as you can at the top. This will create more tension and more growth. Since this is the first exercise, try lifting a heavy weight, aiming for at least 8 reps with about 2 minutes of rest per set. Moving on to section B, we are going to do 2 exercises back to back, also known as a superset. The first exercise is the incline fly. Start with the bench at a 30 or 45 degree angle and with the dumbbells right above your upper chest. Your palms should face each other and your elbows should be slightly bent. Slowly lower your arms out to your side until your wrists are about shoulder height, and then bring your arms back up again to the starting position, making sure that you keep constant tension on your chest and you're squeezing your muscles at the top. The slower you lower the weight, the more time under tension your chest muscles will be under, which will increase the potential for growth. So always perform this exercise with that in mind. Straight after doing the fly, do not rest. Move on to the dumbbell presses with the same weight. At this point, your chest is going to be super tired, so there's no need to use a heavier weight. Try and crank out at least 15 to 20 reps. The rest break between each set is only 30 seconds, so make sure to pick a weight that you can do comfortably, but it's also going to be challenging. If you find that you can't do 15 reps at one go, sit up, rest a couple of seconds before jumping back on again. The goal is to get 15 each time. Make sure that you get 15. Do not get any lower than 15. Final chest exercise is another superset, starting off with the cable crossovers. Stand in the center between the 2 cables with one foot in front of the other. Grip the handles and have your elbows slightly bent. As you lower the cables, make sure to squeeze and flex your muscles as hard as you can at the bottom of the movement before slowly bringing the cables back to the starting position. Straight after that, do push-ups on the medicine ball. Now the medicine ball is not necessary, you can do normal push-ups, but if you want to challenge yourself, then do close grip push-ups on the medicine ball. Try and do as many reps as possible. I managed to do 20. Moving on to the triceps, we've got 2 exercises that we're going to be doing as a superset. The first exercise is going to be the lying dumbbell extension. This exercise will target the long head of your triceps. Hold the base of the dumbbell with your hands and position it just behind your head with your elbows facing the ceiling. Lower the weight until you feel your triceps fully extended before bringing the dumbbell back up to the starting position. Straight after that, move over to the cable machine to perform the press down. Unlike the dumbbell extension, this exercise will target the shorter head of your triceps. Position the V-bar level with your chest, put one foot in front of the other with a slight bend of the knee, and stand up straight with your shoulders back. As you perform this movement, make sure to stop when your arms are parallel to the floor, because extending beyond this point will remove tension away from your triceps and onto your elbows, which can cause pain in the long run. Finally, we're going to finish off with a 14-minute MidCon, starting off with 3 rounds of kettlebell snatches, followed by kettlebell swings, then clean and press, followed by med ball slams, and finally sprints. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and sharing. I'll see you guys on the next one.